Hello everyone, and welcome to today's Amillex Daily Market Commentary. I am your Amillex virtual reporter. Today's global markets were shaken by a sudden surge in political and monetary uncertainty, triggering sharp cross-asset volatility and a powerful rebound in gold. On February 4th, markets reacted strongly after the Trump administration nominated Kevin Warsh to succeed outgoing Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. This nomination has reignited concerns over the future direction of U.S. monetary policy. What makes the reaction notable is that U.S. economic data remained strong. January, Manufacturing PMI rebounded to 52.6, the highest level in nearly 3.5 years, highlighting ongoing resilience in domestic demand. Despite this, the U.S. dollar index fell 0.23% to around 97.38, snapping a prior 1.5% rally as investors reassessed dollar liquidity. In U.S. equities, risk sentiment softened. The Dow Jones closed at 49,240.99, down 0.34%, as selling pressure increased below the 50,000 mark. The S&P 500 ended at 6,918.08, nearly flat, supported by defensive sector inflows. The Nasdaq 100 closed at 25,432, down 0.08% amid ongoing deleveraging in AI and semiconductor stocks. Intel outperformed, closing at $49.25, up 0.9%. In currencies, EUR/USD sits at 1.1814, while USD/JPY rose to 155.88 following comments favoring a weaker yen. That uncertainty fueled a historic move in precious metals. Spot gold surged more than 6% intraday on Tuesday, marking its largest single-day gain since the 2008 financial crisis. During the Asian session, gold stabilized near $4,974 and is currently trading around $4,979 per ounce, up 0.66%. The $5,000 level is now a critical psychological defense for the market. Silver, meanwhile, trades near $85.09 per ounce, down slightly by 0.27% as volatility cools. Oil trades at $63.88 per barrel. Bitcoin rebounded to 75,890, while Ethereum stabilized near 2,243. Today, markets are watching New Zealand employment data, Eurozone CPI, US, ADP employment, and ISM services PMI, all key drivers for the next volatility wave. That is all for today. Thanks for watching.